Bread.
Breakfast. Today's a little bit of an impromptu video here. So I didn't know it, but the last trip we went on was the last trip with the Civic here. So today's a big day. We're getting a delivery for a new truck. So I haven't used Carvana before, but new truck's gonna be delivered today. Alrighty. So this is one last, oh gosh, it's pretty warm in here. Holy crap. This is one last check inside the car before it's no longer mine. Yeah, I don't know, that looks pretty good. Good, thanks, how are you? Just want to make sure, you all right if I record this? Yeah. I've never done Carvana before, so yeah.
Nice and easy, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty convenient, can't lie.
It's like I call it the Amazon of cars.
It really is. I was doing window shopping for way too long. I'm like, all right, I guess I'm gonna just go through with it now. So I don't want to be in your way, but if you need me for anything, let me know.
Yeah, no problem, man. I just when I get this off the back of the bed, I just might need your ID and insurance. And
yeah.
Get the paperwork going, all right?
Yeah, sounds good. Thank you. But I am curious to see, like, the first thing I want to do is lay in the back to make sure I'm going to be able to sleep comfortably in the back.
Wait, why do they look so alike?
Because they're both Fords, yeah. That's a 350, and I'm getting probably the smallest Ford that you can get. That's one of the biggest Fords you can get, one of the smallest Fords you can get, at least as far as trucks go. That's mine.
Thanks,
yeah, of course. Also, I don't know, it's hot out, man, so I got some drinks. If you want to take anything, take as much as you want.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. Thanks, man.
Yeah, dude. It's all yours to take the whole bag if you want it.
100-day warranty with the vehicle as well.
Okay.
Your tip tags on the back, good for 30 days.
Okay.
And that white piece of paper in here, right here. That's your temporary registration, good for 30 days as well.
Okay.
Before those 30 days are up, we'll be sending your permanent tags in the mail for you and everything.
Yeah. Got it. Okay, cool. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Thanks, you too. I fit. Okay, Joleen and I are hopping in the car now. Actually, the truck now. I'm very excited for our first weekend camping. We're not going to be camping in the truck just yet this weekend. Our plan is to bring our tent to a local campsite, camp out there in the tent. But it is nice to be able to load up the whole bed of the truck with all of our wants and needs and not have to worry about, you know, cluttering up the whole car for the ride there. We are going to stop at Walmart for a couple things along the way. I want to load up on some supplies. I want to get some pots and pans for my stoves, and we need some groceries to make dinner tonight. But on the way, I'm sure we'll stop for coffee, lunch, that kind of thing. So we'll keep you guys posted along the way, and see you in a bit. Pork roll and sausage, and then is that just cream cheese?
Cream cheese, and then I got bacon.
They layered it for me though.
Yeah, they thought about you. Got my hair in my mouth.
Man. Oh yeah, sit out on the bench and tan. There's little hot dogs.
Little hot dogs, my weenies.
Next stop, we're gonna go to Walmart, grab some groceries and some other supplies, and then afterwards we're making our way to the campsite.
Making my way to the campsite. Driving.
All right, so Joleen and I just got done doing our grocery shopping. We got all of the supplies we needed. We're all set and ready to go. Just making our way to the campsite now. So should be there in about 25 minutes, and then we're gonna get settled. We brought the tent this time around. We're gonna do some tent camping rather than camping in the back of the truck. And we're stuck there all day.
Doing nothing.
Doing nothing. We got a pack of cards. What else did we get? That was it.
No, I really wanted to get picket ball, but he said no.
Picket ball.
Picket ball.
What's picket ball?
Picker ball? What is it called?
Picker ball.
What is it called?
Picker, I hardly know her. What?
He said no.
That looks like a scene out of Jaws, doesn't it? Like, that looks like the 70s to me. It's like they went back in time.
Real. No phones in sight. What's going on
Doesn't
here?
it look like they went back in time out there?
It does.
So yeah, for some reason they got all of this in front of our entrance, which is kind of dumb.
Yeah.
Just crammed 4 cars in front of our site. That's nice of them. But this is us right here. Just take this and stick that in there. Alrighty, now let's plot out where we want this. You gonna put it right there? All right. This campsite's actually a little strange. So this site, that's our entrance there. There's another entrance down that path right there. We put our tent there, which is kind of unfortunate because it's right in the way of a path that goes right back that way. So people are going to be walking through our site to get to their camps, which is really weird. Kind of uncomfortable. We might end up moving the tent from over there to right here. This seems like a pretty good spot for us. But the good news is we have this kind of entry right to the pond, which is kind of cool. This is our pond view. Don't know if we're going to be able to get away with any fishing, but I'm going to give it a shot.
Don't have to worry about anything.
Squishy.
Yeah, no, stop that. That's making me uncomfy.
We did end up moving the tent just out of the way of that path right there, so now it's behind us off to the side. Once it gets closer to nighttime, we'll probably light a fire and start dinner. But I'm going to make my way down there and go fishing in a little bit. Spend the next half hour, 45 minutes testing the waters. So I'm going to try this out. It's called the Pad Crasher, which I think is going to work out really well because there's lots of lily pads here. Just one of these. It's called the the Pad Crasher. All right, I'm gonna start a fire so I can go ahead and get the coals going so we can cook over the fire.
these would be so nice.
All right, this is the moment of truth. Yeah, I definitely like burnt this pretty good, but aside from that, it was okay. All right, we're gonna do one more attempt here. Switching over to a worm. All right, Joleen and I are just gonna chill for now. We ate dinner. Sun's going down. Looks like we're making some roasted marshmallows, and we're just gonna hang out, sit by the fire until the sun's down and until it's time for bed. If anything exciting happens, we'll let you guys know. But people are just yelling nonstop, so probably gonna be a noisy video.
And we're ready for bed.
And we're gonna fall asleep and watch the fire from bed here.
Oh yeah.
Alrighty, well anyway, good night.
Good night.
Got hungry, so decided to come over to the truck to eat one of my yogurts. It's supposed to be for breakfast, but I'm starving. It's occurred to me that out of all of the trips we've gone on, all the fishing we've done, I'm getting attacked by a moth. I've only ever caught 2 fish, and they're both in one video. So I gotta figure that out. In my defense, before recording all these videos, the only real fishing I've done was saltwater, like in a boat. Jesus Christ. Kind of all new to me. I mean, when I was a child, I did some freshwater, but nothing serious. So yeah, I guess I just gotta figure out how to fish. This might be one of the worst nights of sleep I've ever gone while camping. I'm ready to pack up and go home. It's a noisy morning. Oh, she's already gone.
There she is.
There's the sun.
Sit here and watch her eyes.